Welcome, in front of me is a Axon 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, simply open up the content that you wish to capture, which as example I'm gonna do the app tray right here. So all it needs to do is be open like it is right now, and from there hold power key, volume down at the same time, you get this animation. And if you're trying to take just a normal screenshot, that's about it. If you're trying to take a scrollable one, for instance, if we go into our browser, there we go, you can see that there's a scrollable content. I could do this, then tap on scroll, and it will start slowly scrolling till I tap done. So you can make it as long as you want, and once you tap on done, there it is. Tap on the save button, and now both of the images can be found in your photo gallery. So let's go over there. There we go, photos. Keep off, there we go. So there is the first one, the app tray, and then there is the scrollable web page, as you can see. So those are two ways you could do it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.